The aftermath of an Israeli attack on a displacement camp in Khan Yunis. Israel has designated Al-Mawasi a safe zone, but it bombed the camp, killing dozens of people, including children, as they slept in their tents. More than 100 people were injured.
My mother was killed and my niece Jana lost her eye. What do they want with the children? They are killing them. Please have mercy on us. We are fed up.
We don't know where the missile came from. My children and I were sitting in the tent that was hit. My son and husband got injured. What can we say?
Israel has intensified its attacks across the Gaza Strip. In the north, airstrikes killed several members of a single family after hitting their home in Beit Lahia. Israel also targeted the Indonesian hospital in the north, forcing patients and medical staff to flee under fire. Officials accuse Israeli forces of blocking wounded patients from reaching the hospital. Health workers in Gaza say the situation is deteriorating.
It's the basics that we don't have. We're unable here to run any blood analysis, so we can't do a full blood count. We can't look at the urea and electrolytes and the kidney function. We're really limited on blood.
In central Gaza, Israeli strikes flattened residential buildings. In Zawaida, desperate families search for missing relatives trapped under the rubble.
We woke up to the strike at around 2 a.m, seeing nothing but debris all over the place. 9 people were killed and 7 were injured. Some were serious.
Israel says it's expanding its ground offensive in Gaza. Starving and under constant attack, many parents are left to mourn not only their children, but the dreams that also died with them. Israeli blockade on the Gaza Strip has brought people to the point of death from starvation, and now they are facing being killed in an increasing wave of attacks, a grim choice no person should be forced to face. Hind Al-Khudari, Al Jazeera, Deir al-Balah, Gaza, Palestine.